Hello friends, today we're going to be exploring what is a four-stroke internal combustion engine. But what is an internal combustion engine? Well, we have one right here. An internal combustion engine is basically in your cars. So it's called a four-stroke combustion engine because it has four strokes. The first stroke is an intake stroke. An intake stroke takes the fuel in. I see. Let's write that down in our notebook. Now we're going to see what is the second stroke. The second stroke is the compression stroke. It squeezes the fuel up to the top.
So this is intake and this is compression. Intake, compression.
I see. Compression. We'll learn two strokes now. So the third stroke is the power stroke. Now we are in the power stroke. The power stroke burns the compressed fuel. Then it pushes the piston down. The power stroke also is strong that it pushes the piston down.
Oh, where's Sana?
Okay, now we're on the final stroke, the exhaustion stroke. The exhaustion stroke, like the power stroke, pushes the fuel down. When the piston comes up, it takes all of the burned fuel out of the car.
Cool. Now let's give them a demonstration, okay?
Okay. So, these are the walls that open and close during the strokes. So when the wall goes down, the first stroke is happening. When the wall comes up, the second stroke and the third stroke is happening. When the wall goes down again, the last stroke is happening.
Which valve opens for the intake stroke?
For the intake stroke, this wall opens.
Which valve opens for the exhaust stroke?
This one.
Okay, so that means this is the intake stroke and then compression and burn and then exhaust.
Yes.
Intake, compression, burn, exhaust.
Yeah.
Intake, compression, burn,
Exhaust.
When I say burn, the light goes out, goes on.
Yeah.
Burn, exhaust. Oh, good. I think I got it. And then there is this piston in there. So that means when the piston goes down, it is sucking in air and it is compressing now.
Yeah.
When it goes up, it compresses, and then when the light goes on, it's burning it, and then when it goes back up, it is exhausting. Cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, Sana.
And there's four of everything on here.
Because there are 4 cylinders, this is a 4-stroke, 4-cylinder internal combustion engine.
Yeah.
Hold on.
So this was a four-stroke, four-cylinder combustion engine